Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Happy Labor Day. Today is Monday, September 5th. I have two fun collections to share with you and a kit that has just gone on sale. So first up for today, we have Homestead. This is by designer Rachel Grant. She lives and works in an old Victorian terrace, but she dreams of living off-grid in a cottage by the sea with chickens and a thriving vegetable patch. This collection is inspired by slow, simple, seasonal living, featuring chicken, geese, cows, and more. And this is by Timeless Treasures. I like that this is kind of a farmy collection without looking country cutesy. I think it's just a nice kind of combination of the farm elements in a more realistic colorway, but still sort of painterly. And then of course you can't have a farm collection without some chicken wire. And then this is the best piece in the collection, in my opinion. Very cute. And even the barns have barn quilts on them. And then there's your duck print. Oh, geese print. All right, next up we have Full of Wonder. This is more bolts in this collection of classic children's prints. So I believe we've already shown you some of this before, and now we just received more of the same collection. So in the description of today's video, I'll be showing you all of the pieces in the collection with a link to our website. Those are cute. And last but not least, we have the Cozy Up Kit. It is now on sale. I've got the whole quilt here, but it's pretty big. But just so you can kind of get an idea of size, you can see the whole quilt there on the front of the kit. And then this is more the actual size of the quilt. So it finishes pretty big, 72 by 90. It's now $136.99 for the kit, which is 30% off. And I will tell you from my own past experience that Moda kits have so much fabric in them that you can generally piece together a whole backing out of what's in the box. So that's what we have for you today. We do not have a market preview vendor today just because it's Labor Day and I wanted to make sure everybody got the same sort of audience for when I share them. So stay tuned tomorrow. There'll be another market preview. And don't forget, the All Carolina Shop Pop is happening now and we are open today, 10 to 5. Have a great afternoon and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.